This is the Sky Park condo. It's a rental. In October, we paid $41 a night for a Goda. The place is okay. It's a little bit small. This is a 2-bed unit, but we paid for a 1. So they've locked the door on this one here. But you've still got enough room. You've got a dining table. You've got a fridge freezer, small cooking area, a bit of a lounge, open lounge, a sit down area here. It could be a little bit cleaner, but there you go. So this is a first floor unit, and then you've got a bedroom here, which is just pretty bog standard. Bed, it's a very small TV, it could be bigger. You've got a small desk. The good thing is it's got a safe. It's also got aircon and like storage above the bed, storage by the TV, and then you come through to a bathroom area. You've got toilet, sink, and like a sort of integrated shower, bath. But this bath wouldn't be for a foreigner or barang because it's just too small. It's about 4.5, maybe 5 foot max.